Good morning, friends. Today is March 31st. We are going to start with number 1 and make a prediction on our clock. All right, friends, so now that we're looking at the clock, next to number 1, you are going to make a prediction about what you think you will see on today's card. Press pause if you need more time to make your prediction. Next to number 2, you are going to draw what you see on today's card. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 3, you are going to draw a coin collection for 79 cents. You're also going to write an equation that matches that coin collection. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. Next to number 4, we are going to represent the number 114. So again, yesterday we were in school for 113 days. Today we've been in school for one more. Now we've been in school for 114 days. Please represent 114 with an addition equation, subtraction equation, coins, 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time. All right, friends, next to number 5, you are going to write 2 equations and write an equal or unequal sign in between them. All right, and number 6. Today we are working on our March number corner assessment. You see it looks like this. It has a spring background and it starts with kind of a reddish square on the front page. Again, it says March number corner assessment. That is what we are completing today for number 6. Have a wonderful afternoon.